Hello everyone, this is Patience of Vinago Technologies. Welcome to another tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Today I will show you another method to fill blank cells with values like zeros, a number, or with text. Depends on what you want to achieve in Microsoft Excel. I did a similar tutorial in my previous post using another method. You can check it out as well. So let's start today's tutorial. So I have this list, and let's assume I'll create a scenario here. I'm the sales manager or a business owner, and I have employees and commission. These are people that met their target, so I'm paying them this amount of money while the rest did not meet their target. So I want to replace all these blank cells with zero. So the first thing I'll do is select the list. So I'm selecting this one because this is where I want to add my zero, and then I'll go to replace. So I'll go to replace. So how do I get to replace? Under your home tab, okay, you move to find and select, click on the drop down and click on replace. The shortcut for replace is Control H to easily get to replace. Okay, so after doing that, under where you have find what, you leave it blank because it's blank, right? So leave it blank. Then under replace, we put whatever you want to replace it with. So for here I want to replace it with zero, so I write replace with I put zero there, and then click on replace all. See, within a second I've replaced everything. So 15 replacements have been done. I just click on OK. That's it. That's with zero. Okay, so let me come here. Let's assume, okay, I want to replace with a text. Okay, so I'll select here. This just show another example of using the same thing. I'll use the shortcut this time. That's Control H. So delete my zero and put, let me say didn't meet target. Let me put it that way. Let me put a text this time. Didn't meet target, and I'll say replace all. Okay, the same thing. And then I have everything with didn't meet target. I can also replace it with if I want to, if for instance, if this, in this case too, if you already have didn't meet target and you want to replace it with something else, so like what I'll just do is come here and type the same thing, find didn't meet target. I'm just adding that as a bonus. So I'll write find didn't meet target. I say, okay, let me give them something else. I say didn't meet target. I'll type there, that's find what. So you type the exact thing you typed here and replace it with, okay, let me give them 5,000 naira. Okay, so I have 5,000. I'll say replace all. You see, you've just done that. Within a second you've done that. So you can always change, tweak as you want. All right, I hope you found this video useful. See you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.